Look at this. They're done and they are delicious. Your family's gonna love you for these. My daughter-in-law Devin shares this recipe with us. So let's turn around here and she's gonna show y'all how to make these delicious protein balls. Hey y'all, welcome back to our channel. Today my daughter-in-law is gonna show us how to make protein balls. This is a recipe that she's done before and everybody loves it, so she's going to show me how to do it, and I wanted to share it with y'all. Y'all mamas that are fixing to have all these kids home from school pretty soon, this might be a good recipe for y'all to use to have something healthy for them to eat instead of junk food. So let's turn around. I'm going to get the camera where we can see, and she's going to show y'all how to do it. Hey y'all, this is what it's going to take for Devin's protein balls. It's going to take a half a cup of chocolate chips, a half a cup of honey, 1 cup of peanut butter of your choice, and how many? 3 cups of old-fashioned oats. So now let's turn around and she's going to show us how to do it. Devin, start by telling us what we're putting in first.
Start with our rolled oats, 3 cups.
Okay.
All right, 3 cups.
Now is this the double in the recipe?
Yes. And we'll do our chocolate chips, half a cup. And then our honey, half a cup.
Now we sprayed that cup so the honey hopefully don't stick to it. Spraying your measuring cup will help your honey not to stick as bad. It's sticking a little bit.
This is honey.
And this recipe has no bacon to it, right?
Right.
Good.
And a whole cup of peanut butter.
This recipe right here would be good for right now when it's so hot. You don't have to cut your oven on to have these
that's where the
oatmeal
protein
protein
That
bars.
peanut butter gives you protein.
Guess I should have sprayed my peanut butter cup too. And then you're gonna mix it all.
And what else could you add in this recipe? Like you said, your mama done added other stuff?
She added like crushed up flaxseed or chia seed. You can do sunflower seeds, nuts. I've seen some people put protein powder in it too.
Well, that would be a good idea to give you extra protein.
Extra protein. Give me an arm workout.
Did you ever take it to the hospital when y'all,
I
for
have,
the nurses?
Yeah, for a few times. Ooh. Give me a workout.
Okay, she's spraying that just a little bit, just in case so they don't stick, because she's fixing to show y'all what she's got to do next.
Alright, so next you just want to grab it with your hands and roll it into bite-sized balls. Like that. Put them on your cookie sheet.
How many do you think that'll make?
Probably about 20. And then you're gonna want to pop them in the freezer for about 20-30 minutes to let them sit.
And then
Enjoy.
we'll show you what they look like once she gets them all rolled down on this tray. Now that she's got them all made, we're going to take them and she's going to put them in the freezer for how long?
About 15 minutes.
Okay, and then we'll get them back out and show y'all how they look and what she's going to do with them. Okay, y'all, we've just got them out of the freezer, so now she's putting them in a container, and we just put them in the refrigerator now. Then you can store them in there and take them out as you want to eat them. TJ, you going to do a taste test for us?
Yep.
Okay, y'all. Now TJ's going to do a taste test. Just don't let Bruce have it. It's got chocolate in it. If it didn't have chocolate, would you let him try? How are they?
Look.
You give her a thumbs up? Bruce, give her a thumbs up. Okay, y'all, so there's the protein balls. And this is what they turned out to look like, and that container worked just perfect. So if y'all need a good healthy snack for your kids or to take to work with you, this is a good idea. Hope y'all give it a try. Me and Devin's gonna do a taste test since TJ said they're good. They are good. Y'all need to give these a try for Devin. Don't forget to give her a thumbs up. Hit the red button down below if you haven't subscribed yet to our channel.